That is one noisy thrown exhaust fan. It sounds like it needs servicing. The light on it's out too. That light's out. I am on location at a restaurant, so yeah. That could need some servicing.